I bet y'all are tired of looking at that 30-second intro. Trust me, I know. And I'm tired of sitting on the merch that's in there. What's up, y'all? Your favorite deadbeat YouTuber's back. I am on my I'm on my way to the post office to drop off some orders. I love doing t-shirt orders because I can do everything so fast. Like I can print out the shipping label and then, you know, pay the shipping right then and there. Like I can do everything at home. That takes me less than a minute to do. So yeah, I love doing t-shirt orders. It's so cool. So shout out to my boy Max from Richmond. That's been a long time supporter of the channel. That man, Max been supporting me since the Stock Block 1000 days, bro. Like Max is a real one for sure. Like if I ever do something big, I gotta make sure I show love to my dog Max. And then we got my boy Ryan Jones from Florida. He's not from Florida. Is he from Florida? Let me see. No, he's from Wisconsin. Shout out to my boy Ryan Jones from Wisconsin and my boy Max from Florida. I appreciate y'all boys for always showing love and support to your Benoit. And yeah, going to the post office, and then from the post office, we broke your neck, son. Boy had a Kobo SS, boy. You see me in a big body bar of sex, bruh. Going to the post office, and after that, I'm finna go to Dunkin' and get my Oreo Cappuccino Blast. And then from there, I have no idea what I'm gonna do for this video. Oh, hell yeah! This, that, shit!
Things like this ain't built to last. I might just fade like those before me. When will you forget my past? Got questions, ask me, know the story. You are. Love. Can I get enough?
Woo! Mac, we miss you, bro! We miss you!
I was planning, feel like home.
This feel like I'm in the Congo. I do the devil like every man that came up on the bando. So take that motherfucker leave.
I'm so rock and rollin'. Don't you feel it? Feel it? Don't you know that I'm unfuckwittable? Don't you feel it? No matter, no. Shut your bitch ass up. So I just got like this amazing idea that since my nephew's in high school, I'm gonna teach my nephew how to drive my car, or how to drive a car in general, because I think this would be a funny, super funny video. I don't think Justice ever drove anything. Oh yeah, he did actually drive before, but he never drove a stick shift. And why not teach nephew how to pull up in high school with the baddies in the back in the stick shift car? Because one day I'm gonna give him my car to drive to school, because I think that'd be cool. You know what I mean? I'm trying to be there for my nephew, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? I ain't have an uncle to be like there for me, like how I'm there for my nephew. So then it's gonna be a smooth, cool idea, so I'm gonna film that, and then obviously keep this vlog continuation. So I think that video's gonna drop before this video drops. So how'd you guys enjoy that video? I don't know. Drove stick shift before. Okay, so this right here is my 2002 Acura RSX Type S. I'm finna teach nephew how to drive stick shift because he's in high school now. Just getting back from the Civic Center from teaching nephew how to drive, and yeah, that was a good time. Boy, love driving. So we back at the crib. Yeah. So I took Justice for the ride. Well, he took me for a ride in my RSX. Should be a great video. If you watched it, I don't know if you did or not, but if you watched it, how'd you like it? And yeah, so for the rest of the duration of this video, I don't know what I gotta do. Still gotta buy a seat for the Integra because it doesn't have any seats, but it is. She is outside ready to play. I think me and Fred is going to Kenny B's barbecue little gatherings that he's having later on today, so that's why I got the car out. But you know, gym every day. Hit the gym at 7, and then after that I'll probably just go by Kenny B's place. If they're even still having a thing. Hopefully. I don't know. We'll see what else we can get into this vlog, bro. I don't know. I might not even upload this vlog because there's nothing going on. Good morning, y'all. What's up? Welcome back to the channel. Hi, Nami. How you doing, boo? Right now, we're headed, me, my mom, and Apple is headed to Justice basketball game. Nephew got a basketball game today. He in the playoffs, so gonna go watch that. Hi, Doris.
Hey, person.
Hi, Jolita. Welcome to the vlog life. On the road to riches. Peep the hoodie. Peep the hoodie, son. Trash. But peep the hoodie. Peep the hoodie. Gang out here, fam. It's a gang.
Young warrior.
Hey, dunk the ball, man. Hey, dunk the ball for the vlog. I gotta get views.
Get that rebound.
Shot, Justin.
Okay. All right, man. This vlog has been going on for 3 days, and I got content. Let me show you. We got some go fast parts for the RSX. So what we got from the RSX, from the homie Fred, is this RBC manifold. I picked this up for $60. My dog Fred hooked me up for $60 for this RBC manifold. Comes with a Type S throttle body, which I already have, and it comes with an adapter plate, which I hopefully will not be running, because I do want to get a Hybrid Racing 70mm throttle body, because that's what I have on the Integra, and it doesn't stick, and that's the only throttle body aside from the Ross machine that do not stick. Everybody else's throttle body is complete doo-doo cheeks, and I don't want to run no doo-doo cheeks throttle body, you feel me? So this is the manifold that I picked up for the RSX RBC, and it's already cut, so booyah, all I gotta do is just throw it on there. But before I do that, gotta get some smoothies for me and my nephew. So yeah, it's the next day again. They're good.
Finally, The Rock has come back home. Yeah.
It's lit. It's lit.
Bounce, bounce. It's the bounce. Rick Rouse.
I need a job. Thank y'all for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed whatever this video was. If you did enjoy it, go ahead and... Oh, if you're new here, don't forget to... Thank you guys for watching. I don't know what to make of this video, but I did get an RBC manifold. Gallifold. Move up! Hey, today is February 3rd as I'm filming this. This month is Black History Month. If you would like to support a Black History Month creator, if you would like to show any support towards the Black Lives Matter movement, link down below to Zosh MFG. First and foremost, I want to thank God. I want to thank my mom. And I want to thank you.